Talk about a grand entrance. Come check out the Westbrook II by Bellah Homes. This is the kind of house you fall in love with from the minute you step in. Boom! Soaring ceilings, custom trim, and unforgettable details. This kind of luxury isn't loud, it's intentional. They say the kitchen is the heart of the home. This one is designed to steal yours. And when you want to relax by the fireplace, the only question is, which one? But luxury doesn't stop at the common living spaces. Every secondary bedroom feels like its own private suite, complete with full bath and walk-in closet, because comfort shouldn't come with compromises. Some homes were designed to look luxurious. This one was designed for luxury living. To learn more, visit our site or call us today. Your next chapter begins at Woodland Oaks.